Overheated iPad, how I took care of that issue, coming right up. Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm Mike and welcome to my channel. I do mostly drone related content, so if that's what you're interested in, why don't you go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you know when I post new content. So the other day I was out doing a real estate shoot for a client, and all of a sudden my screen turns black on my iPad and the overheat warning pops up on me. No. The drone was right in front of me, so I went ahead and landed it, and then I tried to cool my iPad down. Now here's a tip. If this happens to you, don't panic. Your controller is still connected to the drone. Just land it. Don't power it off. Get your iPad cooled down. Go to the Go4 app and stop recording first, then go and power your drone down. If you don't do it in that order, you're going to corrupt the file and all that footage that you just shot is gone. Okay, back to the iPad overheating. I started looking on the internet and trying to find something that I could use to keep my iPad cool. Anything I found was not drone related, so I had to find something that I could use and kind of finagle it into my own little contraption. So what I found was a styrofoam box that had a space for an ice pack and a slot for the iPad to slide into over top of the ice pack. So I took that idea and I used an app called Tinkercad to design a holder that would fit specifically on my tablet holder that I could put foam into and design my own foam case. I don't have a 3D printer, but my friend Brad Alston does, and he agreed to go ahead and print out the parts for me. Instead of styrofoam, I use what I call toolbox foam. It's that foam that you stick in the bottom of a toolbox drawer and you can cut out to set your tools in. I just bought a big slab of that and then cut it to fit right into my case. I have a spot for the ice pack and I have a slot for the iPad. So as you can see, it all fits very nicely into my existing tablet holder. The only thing left to do, take it outside, 100-degree plus weather, throw an ice pack in it, and see if it keeps the iPad cooled. Okay, we're all ready to go ahead and try this. So let me show you what the temperature is going to be today. It's 101 on its way to 107. So we're going to give this thing a fly. I'm going to do a 20-minute battery, and then we'll see how long it goes. Hopefully it doesn't shut off. And I won't keep you guys on here all that time. I'll fast forward through all this. So let's get started.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So as you can see, I flew over 20 minutes in 100+ degrees weather, and my iPad did not overheat. So it seems like it works. I hope this helps someone that might be having the same problem. I want to thank Brad Alston for printing out the parts. Be sure and check out his channel here. He has awesome content. If you'd like to make your own Icebox, just email me and I'll send you the files for free. If this video was helpful and you found value in it or just entertaining, please consider subscribing and don't forget to ring the bell. And thanks for watching.